Hi, good morning guys. Now what we have done, we rake out all the grout, everything. Basically, you can see the difference over here. So what we done here, we polish and we're gonna match later on the color close to the limestone. So basically, we cut everything out. Here we need to fix this one, look, that's all drop. Okay, so we rake out the utility room as well. You see this one here is moving as well. This is drop here needs to be fixed, that needs to be fixed. Here everything, as well over here. Basically, this is drop needs to be fixed. So here is drop, this one is tight. You can see it's moving. You need to lift it up and fix it properly. This one here, it's all raked out. And as far as you see here, it is. You can see this tile needs to be fixed back as well, and a few tiles are moving over here, but we're gonna fix them. And look at this hallway. Basically, this is all the hallway we need to do restoring in it, nice and long. After I will update you later on when I do the resin, and after we're gonna do the grinding with this big beauty. That's a planetarium, and this is the beauty navigator. So we'll sort it. Yeah, I just prepared this nice and clean. So basically we need to do the color to this one. Don't, because if we match the color to this one, when we're gonna grind, we're gonna have a black joint. But basically we need the lighter joint. Thank you guys for watching.